Let's take this example and see that what's the difference in Java between while and the do while. So for example, in this case, we have a one variable I, which we are setting to 10, and we are executing this loop while I is less than 10, execute that while loop and then increment. And we have another while loop, do while, right? So we are doing exactly the same. But in this case, the while loop won't execute, but the do while will execute at least once. Because in the do while, first we execute and then we are going to the while condition. For example, in this case, if we will run it, it will run at least once, right? But if we remove this condition, if we, let's say that the set that to I is equals to 1, they will run exactly the same. First run it. And as you can see here, do while again executed once, and the while loop is executed 9 times, right? But if we remove this one, do while will execute exactly the same. So let's run it. So do while loop in this case execute exactly the same as the while loop. So to conclude the difference between them, that the do while loop will execute the condition at least once before going to the loop.